Hi students, today we are going to see how do we write the trigonometric ratios of 180 plus theta as like this. Now, trigonometric ratios of 180 plus theta. 180 degrees plus theta. Okay, let us see how do we write them. We know the trigonometric ratios of 180 minus theta. We know that trigonometric ratios of 180 minus theta, sine of 180 minus theta equals to sin theta. Here in this relation, replace theta by minus theta. Then we get 180 plus theta equals to sine of minus theta. So what will come here? Sine of 180 plus theta equals to sine of minus theta. How much? Minus sin theta. Understand? Similarly, we can get cos of 180 plus theta equals to minus cos theta. Tan of 180 plus theta equals to tan of 180 plus theta equals to plus tan theta, because this 180 plus theta angle should be lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot positive. That's why we should get positive value only right side. Next, here cosec of 180 plus theta equals to minus cosec theta. Sec of 180 plus theta equals to minus sec theta. Cot of 180 plus theta equals to plus cot theta. Understand? Let us see how do we write the trigonometric continuation. Now going to see how do we write the trigonometric ratios of 270 minus theta. Okay, we are going to see this. Now we know that the trigonometric ratios of 180 plus theta, in that the first one, sine of 180 plus theta equals to minus sin theta. Wherever theta is there, replace it by replace theta by 90 minus theta. See what will come here. Sine of what will come here? 270 minus theta will come left side. Understand? Now right side minus sine of 90 minus theta. This can be, therefore, sine of 270 minus theta equals to, we know the value of sine of 90 minus theta. What is it? Cos theta minus cos theta. Understand? So, what will come here? Sine of 270 minus theta will come as minus cos theta. Understand? This is third quadrant and odd value. That's why we should get as like this. Similarly, we can write the other values as like this. Similarly, we are going to take the other values as like this. Similarly, cos of 270 minus theta equals to minus sin theta. Tan of 270 minus theta equals to plus cot theta. Next, cosec 270 minus theta equals to minus sec theta. Sec 270 minus theta equals to minus cosec theta. Cot of 270 minus theta equals to plus tan theta. Okay? Because here these are the trigonometric ratios of 270 minus theta. Let us see how continuation. Our continuation is the trigonometric ratios of 270 plus theta. Ratios of ratios of 270 degrees plus theta. We know that the trigonometric ratios of, we know that sine of 270 minus theta equals to minus cos theta. 3 sine of, we know the value of sine of 270 minus theta. Okay? This should be minus cos theta. Replace theta by minus theta. Let us see what will come here. Sine of 270 plus theta equals to minus of cos of minus theta. So therefore sin of 270 plus theta equals to minus cos minus, we know the value of cos of minus theta plus cos theta. This minus as it is there outside, this is plus cos theta. This is the value of sin of 270 plus theta. Similarly, we can get the values. Similarly, we are going to write cos of 270 plus theta equals to plus sin theta. Next, tan of 270 plus theta equals to minus cot theta. Cosec 270 plus theta equals to as like this minus sec theta. Sec 270 plus theta equals to plus cosec theta. Okay. Now cot 270 plus theta equals to minus tan theta. Understand? Next, our continuation is we are going to write the trigonometric ratios of 360 minus theta. Understand? 360 minus theta. Okay. Let us see how do we write the trigonometric ratios of 360 minus theta. We know that sin of 270 plus theta, sin of 270 plus theta equals to cos minus cos theta. Sin of 270 plus theta equals to minus cos theta. Now replace theta by 90 minus theta here. Let us see what will come here. Left side will come as 360 minus theta minus cos of 90 minus theta. Understand? Sin of 360 minus theta equals to minus cos 90 minus theta sin theta. This is the value of sin of 360 minus theta. Similarly, we can write cos of 360 minus theta plus cos theta, as well as we can write the remaining values as like this. Tan of 360 minus theta equals to minus tan theta. Cosec 360 minus theta equals to minus cosec theta. sec 360 degrees minus theta equal to plus sec theta cot of 360 degrees minus theta equals to minus cot theta. Understand? We should continue our topic in the next class.